Hello, Salt Lake City. It's actually snowing here right now. Alright. So temperature today is 33 degrees. We are in Sugar House Park. And I'm excited about the snow. Of course. Time to ski, snowboard. It's beautiful up here. And time to celebrate because we have the new President of the United States. That's my man, President Biden. Look at the skids. I'll just bring my own. Look at that. We have a lot of snow here actually in this park. We're still in Sugar House Park. This is how it looks like during winter season. This will be my first video on winter season here in Salt Lake City. I'm gonna make more videos, of course, in Park City area soon.